हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट फंडामेंटल राइट, दैट इज आर्टिकल 21, राइट टू लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल राइट्स बिकॉज इट डील्स with our life. Article 21 lays down that no person shall be deprived of his life, personal liberty, except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21 includes four very important terms. First one is life, second one is personal liberty, third is law, and last is procedure established by law. Now, the term life, it means all basic facilities by which life is enjoyed. In ancient time, it includes only food, shelter, and home. It includes only food, clothing, or shelter. But now, in a modern time, with the passage of time, in a modernization, it includes various another things. पुराने टाइम में लाइफ वर्ड इंक्लूड्स करता था सिर्फ 3 वर्ड्स, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. बट अर्बनाइजेशन, मॉडर्नाइजेशन, जैसे जैसे सोसाइटीज में चेंजेस आने लगा, it includes various another type of rights. Example, right to education, right to live in a healthy environment, then health services, education services, cleanliness, all types of services. It comes our definition of our life. After that, next is personal liberty. Personal liberty covers a variety of rights which go to constitutes personal liberty of men, and some of them have been raised the status of different fundamental rights. Law. The term law, constitutions make no difference between law, either such law made by our legislature or legislative authorities, and ordinance issued by the president. Both are equally subject to limitations which the constitution has placed upon that power. Fourth term, that is procedure established by law. Procedure established by law extends both substantive as well as procedural law. So, Article 21 includes various type of rights, just like right to medical care, right to shelter, right to education, right to food, right to privacy, and right to healthy environment. Now, meaning of right to life and personal liberty is necessary for these two rights. Right to life and personal liberty is necessary for the development of human personality. Right to life and personal liberty is one of the rights of the people of India preserved by the Constitution of India and enforced by the High Court and Supreme Court under Article 2 to 6 and under Article 32. Thank you.